Are you tired of eating regular rice, fried rice, jollof rice? I am. Sometimes I just need variation. Today, I'll be cooking another variation of rice, which I like to eat sometimes. I'm cooking my carrot rice. So, welcome to Yemi's Kitchen. This is Yemi, your host, your hostess, your cook. And I just want to take my time to say thank you so much for my old subscriber. And for the ones that have not subscribed yet, I want to say welcome and please join my channel, join my family. Today we'll be cooking carrot rice. For the carrot rice, we're going to be needing a couple of stuff for the carrot rice. The protagonist of this book, of this cooking, is the carrot. I'm using julienne carrots, which I bought from Walmart. I didn't hand size this, and the rice. I'm using parboiled rice. I think I have like 4 cups of rice there, and you're gonna be needing salt. Any kind of salt will do. Salt to your taste. Just regular salt. A spoon of regular salt to your taste. You're gonna be needing any kind of seasoning. I'm using chicken seasoning. Chicken bouillon seasoning. I have a spoon of chicken bouillon seasoning here, and I have 2 habanero and a couple of garlic, which I'm going to use half of this. I'm not using everything. I'm going to chop into pieces, and any kind of oil. I am using olive oil for this. This is a sweet and savory dish. The rice is salty, carrots sweet, hot pepper. So I have washed this rice and I'm going to cook it with my rice cooker. So I've washed my rice. I'm putting my salt. This is just a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to cover this and leave it for like 25 to 30 minutes for it to be done. Then cool down a little bit and I'll fluff this rice. So as you can see, this I just turned on, and we're going to do this in 30 minutes. It's done. And this is like an hour. It's done and fluffed. It's cool off. I open it and fluff the rice. On the stove, I have a spoon, two spoons of cooking spoon of oil in my light casting iron pot. I bought it from Aldi. This is just a new one. I'm trying it out too. So I'm excited because it's lightweight casting iron. So this is the oil. I just wanted to get hot a little bit. Here goes my carrots. I just want to fry it a little bit so I can get it. First of all, to get the oil, turn maybe a little bit of orange like the carrots, and for it to cook a little bit. And here, after this, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of vegetables, which is my chopped garlic, just pepper, habanero pepper, and the green pepper I saw somewhere. So I'm just adding it just to flavor this. I'm gonna fry this for like maybe 2 minutes. Don't forget, don't let it burn. We need all the taste of the carrots as much as we can get. Here goes my 1 spoon of chicken seasoning, which I'm adding to my carrot stir fry. It smells so nice in here. It's smelling so good. It smells just like a regular stir fry. Now I'm going to add my rice little by little. And fold it inside. I'm cooking for 4 people today, so I'm going to fold it so, trying to bring the carrots out. So this is done. I brought the carrot out, folding in the rice, and making sure that every part of the rice gets some carrots in it, just like so. Just like so. Oh my God, smells nice in here. Can't wait to dig in this. Now I'm going to add some butter in it to make it moist and soft. It gives a little bit of edge to it. Take your rice up to a notch when you cook jollof rice or any kind of mixture rice that has other things in it. I'm going to let it melt. Yummy. Yum, 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 yum. So I'm going to fold this in. It's melted and let it melt. It's already melted. Fold it in. It's so moist, so nice. This is so good. This is my carrot rice. You can try with any other vegetable you want, but this is how I do my carrot rice. It's done. This is actually done. I'm just trying to make sure that every grain is covered with a little butter I put in it and all the seasoning. Now let me serve. So I'm going to serve this rice. First of all, it came out really nice. Tastes good. This will not be enough for my family, I know that. I'm going to serve it with peppered fish, which is on the side. Then I serve with the small chop. So this is my carrot rice. I'm pairing it with julienne vegetable. Underneath I have a small fish in that. So I paired my carrot rice with some small chops that I have at home. I have the yamaritas, that's the, which I have left over. That's the my yamaritas. I have my beef dodo, just a little bit munchies for my husband, and I have my igmialata, that's pepper snail, and I made some escovitch. There's some fish under those vegetables, julienne vegetables that you see. So I've made those to just decorate this sumptuous, delectable carrot rice. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not liked my channel or subscribed to my channel, please do. I really encourage you to do. I need your vote. I need you to subscribe to me. Your subscription helps my algorithm, and it tells me that you like my content so I can make more. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for following me on my channel. Thank you for your love. Thank you for everything. God bless you. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, follow on IG, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube, and on my website. Love you so much. This is your hostess, your chef Yemi. Don't forget, happiness is a choice. I love you. Mwah. Have a good day. Till I see you the next episode.